This is the Tsmine Spin Mop and Bucket System. With its patented spin drive, it can handle any type of spill on hard surfaces. These microfiber mop heads are durable and machine washable, providing long-lasting use over traditional mops. The 180-degree swiveling mop head makes it easy to reach under furniture, while the extendable long handle allows you to clean windows and ceiling fans. Setting up is easy. First, attach the mop handle by screwing it together and locking it into place. Next, align the mop head with the plate and step gently until you hear a click. Fill your bucket with water and add your cleaner. Next, dip the mop into the water and spin to soak it. To dry, bring the mop head into the metal basket. Push down on the handle to activate the spin dry system. When finished cleaning, step on the strands of the mop head and push the handle away from you, causing it to detach. Then just throw your mop head in the machine or hand wash with warm water and lay flat to dry. No need to use bleach or fabric softeners. Choose between two different colors. The Tsmine Spin Mop and Bucket System doesn't just make cleaning easy, convenient, and effective, but it makes cleaning even the toughest messes fun.